As much as I would like to share the making of my Irish moss smoothie, I will tell you the ingredients and possibly try to record. So over here I have my acai. That gives it the color. That gives it a lot of the flavor as well. And it's supposed to be a very good antioxidant. I can let you see what it says here. Next, I have my Irish moss. I have my bananos. These are probably one of the best bananas you can eat that aren't GMO'd. These are out of my garden. I got my Swiss chard. And I got my, I think it's called Mexican oregano. Where is it? Right here. Thyme or oregano. It's very good. Oh, it's very good. I got my hibiscus tea. I make it myself. I grow that in the garden too. I need to start a new crop though. I got my strawberries. I got those growing in my garden. I need to wait till the spring to get some fresh ones. And again, here's the bananas. And of course, the bottom has ice. I'm going to add all these ingredients in here along with my spirulina. Let me get that for you. I'm just going to bring it over here. This is spirulina as well as my moringa. I always add these ingredients. Without them, it's useless. And you got to finish it off with some agave. All right, so that's it for now. I'm going to make the smoothie, and I'll probably just let you see it when it's done. All right, now I'm just trying to squeeze all my greens in here. Like I told you, that thyme right there is absolutely delicious. I also add mint, so I got to go find some mint. I'll be right back. All right, I had some store-bought mint, but I think I'm done with it, so I had to go out into my garden and get my own. That's all that's growing right now. I gotta wait for the heavier crop. That won't happen probably till next spring. Okay, and then I'm gonna add the agave. Okay. I put a little more, it was off camera. And after that, we're going to try to squeeze some acai in here. Okay, so this is how much I got. I might add more, it depends, but this is pretty much a full Vitamix right now, so I'm gonna put the lid on it. I already put the hibiscus in there. We're gonna just stick the lid on it and see if we can squeeze this stuff in here and get it going. I think I got it in. I'm just gonna turn it on. Now it's time for the best part. Taste test. Okay. That's pretty good. I can taste some of the mint. Not a lot of mint, but I can taste it. But the thyme is standing out the most. I'm just going to add a little more agave. And this should be done. see. I think that'll do as far as freshness goes, as far as flavor, sweetness. I can taste pretty much everything. But the banana, you know what? Maybe I'll add another banana because I don't really taste banana. Now, these bananas have already been pre-cleaned, pre-washed. The skin is on, as you can see. I don't take the skin off. I mix everything, okay? I'm just going to drop that in there. Rinse off my plunger. And start again. All right, so after we mix it up, of course, we just pour one, pour two, and then tomorrow's dose, which I always have, is right here. It's tomorrow's dose. I try not to waste a drop. Get my straws. Get my straws. And there you have it. Four Irish Moss smoothies. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.